President Kennedy engaged in a whirlwind visit to New York City on the weekend of May 19th and May 20th, 1962.
Even at the height of the campaign, President Kennedy hardly put in a busier weekend than this one in New York. First, he presides at the dedication of new apartment houses, along with Governor Rockefeller. The project was sponsored by the Garment Workers Union, and the president called on all unions to widen their social aims and to cooperate with private business and the government in expanding the national economy. Later that day, he's guest of honor at a Democratic Party fundraising rally at Madison Square Garden. 15,000 people pay from $3 to $1,000 to honor Mr. Kennedy, who receives 5 feet of birthday cake. The party anticipates the actual date of his 45th birthday, but it wipes out the deficit. The next afternoon, the busy president is back in the garden to address a rally of older people on his medical care bill. It's an overflow crowd of the elderly, ranging from their 60s to 108 years of age. They hear Mr. Kennedy say that hospitalization under Social Security is as inevitable as the tide. The president, who is facing opposition from the American Medical Association, likens his campaign for the bill to the fight for Social Security in the 30s.